and 30 minutes late. The time that I was gonna sit here and hang out has been wasted.
You're on the vlog.
What do you have to say for yourself, Jay?
Well, normally when I say I'm gonna be there, it's usually an hour later.
And there it is. Yes, Honda's check out my Integra bottle. It's on the ground.
God damn, the hate is gonna be real today, huh?
I hate car shows.
But you've been waiting here.
I came here with my Camry Lamborghini Mercy bike lolly. Now check it out. I got my doors.
Jesus. All right, Jay, we're gonna see you in about 3 hours, buddy.
All right.
Stay black.
Can we talk about these kicks right here?
Hey, boy. These things are.
What are those?
Those are a lot older than most of the people watching this.
Yes.
Osiris. These are too legit to quit. Nikes. All your bullshit shoes. That's what's up.
Oh, there's shade over there.
To go look at a bunch of Hondas.
Oh, this is gonna be a mess in here. Hey, good thing you wore all black.
Yeah, good. That was great.
Of course. Hey,
What's up, Doc?
you made it.
4 hours later.
Excuse me, sir. Can you please not rev your engine? It's a car show. Literally the last people to pull in. Hey, don't look so excited.
It's hot here.
You don't even get to drift.
I'm already sweating. George, down to drive my IC one day and just send it? No. Don't worry, I'll sign whatever paper.
A release.
He wrecks it. Hyundai Lamborghini Yoda.
Car looks good, buddy.
Thank you, buddy. Thank you.
We're putting dogs on the side of the race car. Come on, dude.
Put the Pomeranians on there.
Yes. That's cute right there, bro.
Good looking cars.
I was like, man, getting these two assholes in an area is gonna be a pretty.
We call it a vortex.
I'm a Lamborghini and a Ferrari guy. Like the Ferraris look too legit to quit.
That's our buddy Rogers.
I don't know who Roger Dodger is, but
He's right there.
sounds good. I don't know. I want to buy a Lambo, dude, but my girl's gonna kill me.
Aaron, he likes the car.
That's a baller right there.
So we're a few hours in here, and George has to go paint chairs.
I didn't bring my glow sticks. So,
Should we go look around some cars before you leave?
as long as it's on the way to the exit.
This is a beautiful car right here. This is kind of up the drift alley. What is your take on this one?
At least it's a real S15.
What do you think? What do you rate this? This is the homie's car. It's turbo, right-hand drive.
Oh, I know Koshi. Yeah.
He's over here somewhere. What do you rate his product?
Koshi's looks good. I like it.
All right, well, we'll see George when he comes back at
Yeah, this
7.
is a great show. I gotta go, guys. I gotta go paint some chairs.
Cue all of the B-roll footage. Oh, and today is Saturday, and we have to post this tomorrow.
You guys will see all this tomorrow.
Today, but like tomorrow today.
Yeah. What he said.
Yeah.
Sounds good. We'll go with that. I'm out.
there he is, ladies and gentlemen. Georgina. Well,
It's a great event.
guy,
Like my shoes? Huh?
Papa Bear.
Hey, so like, what were you? You were here in the beginning. Happened to show up at the end. Oh, who does that?
Okay, so good.
No, I'll get him in trouble. I don't think he's about it. About it. You told that to the wrong guy. Stay tuned for Gridlife.
And that's how we got kicked out of.
That's right.